Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the minimal toolset, install Node, JS and confirm npm works. Once done, create a project folder and run npm init to generate package, JSON, then install a lightweight dev server so you can view changes immediately. Create index, HTML styles, CSS and main, JS, in index, HTML link styles and head and add a script tag with defer. This gets you into live editing quickly and prevents blocking rendering. So you can focus on building features. You now implement the core. Split functionality into ES modules, exporting clear functions and importing them where needed. Once modules exist, design simple state management, an object or tiny pub/sub to avoid scattering data. Make DOM updates efficient by batching changes and using document fragments or inner HTML carefully. If the site needs multiple views, add hash-based routing or a minimal client router. Progressively enhance so server-side rendering or static pre-rendering remains possible. This reduces complexity while keeping performance predictable. You finish by optimizing and deploying. Run a bundler to minify assets, enable gzip or Brotli, and set cache headers so repeat visits are fast. Test on different devices and screen sizes, adding area labels and keyboard navigation to improve accessibility. Deploy to a static host or CI pipeline and wire up basic monitoring for runtime errors and performance metrics. If something breaks, check the console first. Verify network requests and file paths, then roll back to the last working build while you diagnose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.